I asked the ChatGPT to solve this simple equation problem, two-equation problem, and it correctly isolated the first variable, substituted to the second equation, did the calculations, found the first variable, the the value of the first hidden variable, then it substituted to the first equation and found the other variable value, and that's how he solved the initial system. And the answer is the two variable a is 19, x is 6, and we can also be sure that this is the right answer if we check in the Microsoft Math and we find that it is the same value.